Welcome to Rahul Texture Art, your one destination where every textured abstract artwork is not simply created, it is discovered. Today, we are not here to teach. We are not here to learn. Today, we are here to become silent, to listen. Our greatest teacher today is nature herself. She has been painting long before the first artist held a brush. She has carved mountains, painted sunsets, written rivers, and sculpted clouds without speaking a single word. So today, let us awaken the artist quietly sleeping within our soul, not by force, not by rules, but by listening. Our journey begins. The very first touch, a silent canvas, waiting patiently, like the first ray of sunrise waiting behind the horizon. It is empty, yet somehow, it already knows a beautiful transformation is about to happen. Can you hear its silence? Sometimes, silence speaks louder than words. Come, let us step into this beautiful artistic journey together. And here comes a simple bottle cap, an ordinary object seen thousands of times, but nature smiles because she knows nothing is ordinary when imagination awakens. Today, this little cap begins a magical journey. Who would have imagined that such a tiny companion could carry such beautiful possibilities? Now, take your seats, lock your seatbelts, open your heart, forget the destination. Today, we shall enjoy the journey itself. The bottle cap begins to move, round after round, softly, playfully, almost as if a leaf is dancing upon the surface of a quiet lake. There is no hurry. Nature never rushes. Yet, everything blooms exactly on time. Look closely, every gentle dab leaves behind a beautiful memory, not just a texture, but an impression. Every touch says, I was here, exactly the way raindrops leave tiny stories upon the earth, exactly the way footsteps disappear, but the journey remains. Beautiful impressions, one after another, begin to awaken the canvas. And today, after a long time, an old companion returns. The palette knife, waiting patiently for its moment. Slowly, it glides, it bends, it lifts, it creates beautiful forms that were hidden inside the texture all along. Perhaps the shapes were already waiting. The knife simply helped them find their voice. Now, one final visit from our little bottle cap. Gentle, smooth, caring, almost like a loving hand touching the forehead of a child. There is no pressure, only trust, only tenderness. Even the smallest touch can transform everything. And now, we wait. No movement, no sound, only silence. Because silence is never empty, it is full of answers. The painting is quietly telling its own story. Can you hear it? Now, the drama begins. One by one, the colors arrive. Dark brown steps onto the stage. White follows gently. Burnt umber walks in with warmth. Black arrives quietly, holding mystery in its hands. Nobody rushes. Each color waits for its perfect moment, just like every season knows exactly when to arrive. And then, something beautiful happens. The colors stop behaving like strangers. One color holds the hand of another, then another joins, then another. Slowly, gracefully, they begin to dance, not to compete, not to dominate, but to complete one another. Exactly the way flowers, birds, wind, rain, and sunlight together create the miracle we call nature. Can you feel it? The harmony, the rhythm, the beautiful synchronization. The colors are singing, they are dancing, they are flowing into one another, taking us somewhere beyond words, beyond imagination, into mysterious, spiritual, silent dimensions where beauty needs no explanation. And look carefully, something extraordinary has happened. The colors have forgotten their identities. No one wishes to stand alone anymore. They have dissolved into one beautiful devotion. Now, the painting is no longer listening to the artist, it is listening to nature, and nature is quietly completing what the hands merely began. Now comes the beautiful white, not to cover, not to dominate, but to illuminate, like sunlight touching the highest peaks of a mountain, like moonlight gently kissing the silent ocean. Every highlight feels like light itself, leaving behind its tiny footprints. The texture awakens, the canvas begins to breathe. And now, the final touches. Tiny adjustments, gentle refinements, no loud movements, only whispers, because masterpieces are often completed with the softest touch. And here comes the moment we have all been waiting for, the final reveal. A blank canvas has transformed into a world that did not exist a few moments ago. Not because of perfection, but because someone dared to begin. Before we say goodbye, let us bow our heads to our greatest teacher, nature. She never tells us to become perfect. She simply reminds us to become real. Nobody is born a master. Nobody creates perfection. Every artist is simply a traveler, learning, listening, growing. And do you know something beautiful? The artist is already living inside your soul, quietly waiting, patiently waiting for you to call. Do not leave that artist standing forever on the riverbank. The river is flowing. The journey has already begun. Come, step into the water. Swim, feel, create, awaken your inner artist.